Join us as we ride from Marshall to Ben Hur, Arkansas. We are taking Highway 65 west of Marshall to the smaller highway of 377 to Whit Springs, and then join Highway 16 towards Ben Hur. This is a beautiful sunny day, although it's very cold. About 39 degrees is the high. We are both wearing pretty much all our clothes, long johns and rain gear included. Although the temperature was colder today than the previous day, the sun made all the difference in warming us up. We are turning left on Highway 74 towards the town of Snowball. We are crossing Bear Creek, and just this section of it is called Spider Creek. We had a previous trip to the Ozarks in May a few years ago. It was also cold, although not as cold as this trip, and it rained for most of the trip. We did see a lot more wildlife in May, which is good and bad on a motorcycle. We rode mostly different roads this trip than the last one. There are still many roads on our list to see. There are motorcycle rallies in the Ozarks with group rides. If you want to enjoy the roads and not do any planning, it's a good way to do it. various motorcycle shops dotted around the Ozarks, although none in or close to the National Forest. The majority of them seem to be in the Springdale area, including a place to rent bikes. We are riding over Calf Creek. Turning left on Highway 377 in the town of Snowball. Another really small town in the pretty hills of the Ozarks. The town of Snowball was originally named Calf Creek. It was founded in the early 1800s. The entire downtown was destroyed by steam engine explosion in 1879. The newly built town was named after the county sheriff, Bill Snow. With all the hills on the road, and especially this spot, it was like riding a roller coaster. Another fun and pretty road to ride in the Ozarks. The people of the Ozarks and their traditions are very superstitious. There have been studies, books, and even courses at universities about this. One of the more interesting subjects studied is their views on death and burial. One of the superstitions is to not dig a grave before a person has passed away. To do so would be inviting an evil spirit to enter the grave or another death in the family. Preachers felt they had preached a good sermon when the family was in hysterics. Therefore, it wasn't uncommon to see a family member throw themselves on the coffin as it was being buried. Another common superstition had to do with transplanting trees. They believed if you transplanted a tree, you will die when the tree is tall enough to shade your grave. The crypts that are seen above ground in cemeteries do not contain a body. Instead, they serve as a memento, reminding viewers of their own mortality. Many of the old customs were starting to disappear by the end of World War II. We're coming to the town of Whit Springs, and we are turning right on Highway 16. Whit Spring is very small, has a church and a country store. Every Memorial Day weekend, Whit Springs hosts a Hillbilly Days. This started as a weekend of decorating the locals' grave sites, people who have lived in the hills for generations. It now includes parades and a festival. We are back in Ozark National Forest. We are on Highway 16 and going towards Ben Hur on the east side of the forest. If you have time to explore this area, there are some dirt roads that go off into the mountains. There's only a few roads that circle back to Highway 16. Depending what mountain roads you go on in this area, you will get some switchbacks. There are some creeks, waterfalls, as well as camping. Ozark National Forest is 1.2 million acres. There are trails for off-road vehicles in the forest. If you go to the Ozark National Forest website, there is a map. There are many campgrounds in Ozark National Forest. If you decide to do primitive camping, place your camps away from the creeks or the rivers. Rain in the area has been known to produce 5 to 10 inches in a few hours. This area of the Ozarks is known as East Fork. It has the typical Ozark hills and hollows, as well as clear mountain streams. There are sign-ins at the trailheads in this area, so the National Forest Service can find you in case of emergency. Private property borders the roads and the trails. GoPro ran out of battery before we got to Ben Hur, but we're almost there. Thanks for joining us for another ride in the Ozarks. Hit like and subscribe and you'll be notified for our next one.